Hey hunters! Today I'm excited to introduce you to a game changer in the world of hunting, the scent blender system. If you're serious about masking your scent or attracting game with all natural materials from your specific hunting location, this is the product you're going to want to have with your gear. The scent blender is a portable system that allows you to create custom cover scents and attractants using local plant material and food sources. Instead of buying commercial scents that might not match your area, you can blend natural scents from the environment you're hunting in, whether it's pine, cedar, or even food sources like acorns and corn. Using the scent blender is so easy. The first step is to gather materials from your hunting area. After gathering your materials, you just pop them into the bottle, add some water, and screw the bottle onto the blender base. Here's the magic part. You just double-click the button to start blending. The scent blender's high-torque motor and stainless steel blades break down tough plant material in about a minute, giving you a perfectly blended scent. And don't worry, the filtration system prevents clogging so you get a smooth, fine mist every time. Once your custom scent is blended, you can spray it on your gear, tree stands, or even directly on the ground around your hunting spot. The spray bottle gives you flexibility too, with an adjustable spray head that goes from a fine mist to a powerful stream that can reach up to 20 feet. Perfect for getting that scent up into the trees. One of the biggest advantages of the scent blender system is how specific you can get. If you're hunting deer and you want to mask your scent, use local vegetation like pine or sagebrush. But if you want to attract animals, you can use food sources like apple, corn, or even chestnuts. The scent blender is rechargeable and comes with a durable spray bottle. It's compact enough to fit in your hunting bag, and the batteries are good for about 20 blends per charge, so it's ready when you are. When you're out in the field, blending your scents in a quiet location, like your truck, ensures you don't spook any game nearby. And remember, because you're using materials from the exact area you're hunting in, it makes it easier to blend in naturally with your surroundings. Overall, I'm impressed with how versatile and easy the scent blender is to use. Whether you're masking your scent or trying to attract game, it gives you the control to customize your hunting approach. Plus, it's a lot more affordable in the long run compared to buying pre-made scents every season. So if you're looking for a way to take your scent control to the next level, definitely check out the scent blender. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting.